Mudhouse Resort with this beauty. After 2.5 hours, we finally made it to Themis Mudhouse Resort. It seems really beautiful.
Happy birthday, Sanya!
Thank you so much. Come, I'll show you our luxury classic villa in the Themis Mudhouse. Welcome. Okay, so this is our room, grand ass room. I love the amalgamation of rural and urban vibes here. This is our bed, this is all of the decor happening here, and this is a dream washroom. Come on. Okay. Are you ready to watch our private pool? Come on. So this is our private pool here. We're gonna enjoy in the evenings and in the mornings. Our breakfast would be served here. And yeah, I'm loving the vibe here totally. So they'll be serving us some welcome drinks here, and then they'll be serving us lunch, and then we'll be going for some activities like zip lining, horse riding. Hi.
Be without you, I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a
Okay guys, so the preparations have begun. हम जितने lunch करने गए थे तो इन लोगों ने हमें surprise करने के लिए ये कर दिया. Thank you Themis Mudhouse Resort for treating me so well. You guys know how to spoil a person. So guys, we have changed into the party dress. मेरे से hot obviously मीनू लग रही है as usual. No. So हम जा रहे हैं बाहर थोड़ा लोगों का breakup करवाने. 3-4 कपल
हो ही जाएगा. हम भी यहाँ पे अकेले हैं, so we feel कि सबको सिंगल रहना चाहिए.
इस दुनिया में अकेले आए हो, अकेले जाओगे. So we are going to see कि हमारा केक आया नहीं, and then we'll cut the cake and then we'll sleep. शायद से. So guys, we are having a great time here. This property is so damn beautiful. I mean, I couldn't imagine that I could celebrate my birthday somewhere else and have this kind of fun. So I'm very grateful to them for arranging all of the little gestures for me, for decorating my room, for decorating a cabana for me. And then we'll be having our dinner very soon, and then we'll go to our room and enjoy there, and in the morning we are gonna have a breakfast in pool, in our private pool. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Having a great time here at the swimming pool. This seems more like a private pool. And after
We're not visible. We are so sorry about this.
We are looking so hot, trust me. But we are not visible. You are unlucky today.
You can just imagine us.
Yeah, but you know, we are gonna share the pictures in which you can see. Oh my god, smoking hot, I tell you. So after that we are gonna go for dinner at the resort, and then we are gonna cut the cake, and then we are gonna sleep perhaps. सोने तो नहीं वाला हमें ट्रिप्स में नींद नहीं आती. So we'll see you at the dinner table then.
You like liquid honey. 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 On these lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust me when I say,
Happy birthday to you. 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 birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
सानिया लैंड कर चुकी है घोड़े पे।
खोलने के लिए घोड़े बैठ गए।
अभी उठे हैं और उठते ही तैयार होकर हम आ गए हैं हॉर्स राइडिंग के लिए।
I love this horse यार, so fit.
So fit, oh,
Boss.
so fit. So guys, क्या आप समझ पा रहे हैं सानिया की बात को? कि she loves this horse because he's so fit, more than a boy.
Okay guys, bye.
Okay guys, bye bye. Guys, so in this area you can notice a lot of outdoor activities as well. You cannot get bored here, you cannot afford to get bored here. And even if you're coming to this place with your kids also, they're gonna enjoy to the very best. See, all of the facilities, trampoline and Mickey Mouse, everything is provided here. So such a family friendly place and a place which suits all the age groups, I would say. Yeah. Okay, so our breakfast would be served in the pool. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. And the drinks. Thank you to Themis people for caring for us too much. और ये अब हमारे जाएगा private pool में and I'll see you there. So guys, our breakfast is served in the pool and we are freaking ready to have it in the pool. Let's get the party started.
I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need.
मान नहीं रहे।
एक और बच्चे के थे।
पिएगा कौन चीज? मैं पीने लग रही हूँ।
3, 2, 1. चलो बंद कर देते हैं।
स्पेस
हाँ, खाते कर दो इधर।
यहाँ बैठ के खाएंगे।
We have shot the content in the private pool. Now we are going to jump into the large ass pool. Are you ready for that? Watch it.
I am ready.
We don't need boys to have fun. It's my birthday.
पता लगूगा।
Okay guys, so my birthday has come to an end and it's time for checking out of this beautiful property, and we enjoyed our stay thoroughly here, thoroughly. And thank you to Themis Mudhouse for making my birthday so memorable and so fun. So I would be looking forward to come to this property again with my family. So yeah, thank you again, Themis Mudhouse, and yeah, we'll be meeting soon. Bye bye.